Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to list a product on Amazon in very simple manner. So we'll be listing a t-shirt today. So the first thing that we would be doing is we will be searching it in the search bar. So we'll write t-shirt for men, maybe you can write something like that. Once you click on enter, on the right side there's a box that appears. At the bottom you will find the option create a new listing. Click on create a new listing and you'll see this interface. Once you see this is our AI, actually Amazon's AI. Okay, so you can either upload an image here and you can generate all the content from here. Basically your item name, your description, your bullet points all will get generated. If you don't want to use it also, never mind, not an issue. Okay, so for now I have generated it and I'm removing the word premium because usually only brand registered sellers use the word premium. So I'm just going to keep it simple. Men's basic cotton t-shirt, black, casual wear, short sleeve, crew neck. And the product type is nothing but your category. Just click on confirm. It should show the right product type. Your t-shirt comes under the shirt category itself. Okay, once you click on confirm, it will take a bit of time to load, but then your recommended browse notes will already be there. So before we go to variations or any kind of sizes, since it's your first listing, we'll be doing a normal one. Select the brand name as this product does not have a brand name, and on the external product ID, instead of a barcode, right, since we don't have one, we can select I do not have a product ID. Now the page will take some time to load, but select this product has variations. And now after that you can select the option like whatever different variations you have, whether you have color variation, shirt like size variation. So here I'm going to select shirt size as the variation. So if you have multiple sizes, you can select shirt size as a variation. So again, like I told you before, it will take some time to load. Just click on it once and you can leave it. Okay. Those who are doing the listing for the first time, I would recommend you guys to make a normal listing first. Okay, like just without variations. You can complete one entire listing without that. After you finish doing one listing, you can come back to this. Okay, by selecting variations. After that, click on next. When the next page, you will see the description. So description and bullet points has already been generated. So you can remove the word premium again. You can see I'm doing that. Okay, so always check what the AI has written. Okay, because sometimes it could write something wrong, and yeah, then it could cause an issue for your listing. Okay, so just check this once. So always have at least one paragraph in your description, 3 points in your bullet points, and then we have the images option. The first image always needs to be in white background. Currently I have just one image, so I'm just going to add that and I'm going to save the listing as a draft. Okay, always make sure you save it, because if there's an issue with your any kind of network or something you miss, at least this will be saved. Okay, now on the third page we are going to fill the product details. So most of the things have already been filled, but yeah, here I'm filling the model number. Model number is nothing but just a code that you can give for your listing. So I'm writing bro 001. Model name, you can call it t-shirt for men, crew neck. Okay, then manufacturer, if you do not want to mention your real manufacturer's name or anything like that, because maybe it's locally manufactured or maybe you're only the manufacturer, you can just write your name. Okay, so you can write your brand name or like seller name, your manufacturer's actual name. That is left completely up to you. You can write whatever you want here. Okay, then do check whatever is whatever is in red needs to get filled. Okay, so now department name, we are selecting men because this is a men's t-shirt. Okay, then we scroll down. Then we have something called special size. Mostly, the red color boxes need to get filled. But before that, the fabric type, I just made a correction because it's a cotton shirt. Now, coming back to special size, I'll select standard as an option here. Okay, there you can always type here. If the option is there, you can just select from the drop down. Okay, then you can scroll down. Once we scroll down, we find part number. Your part number, model number, manufacturer part number, model name, all of this can be same. So I'm just mentioning bro 001 again. And in the manufacturer contact information, I'm going to write the manufacturer's name or maybe your own name, your brand name or something like that. And followed by your short address. Okay, a short address with the pin code you can mention. Okay, same thing you can copy paste bottom when you will find the importer contact or like packer contact, right? Yes, but before that, let's finish the HSN code. Okay, here we have selected HSN code and we have googled what is the HSN code for a t-shirt, which is 6109. So I'm writing it here. Okay, after that, in importer contact information, if you're importing, you can mention, otherwise you can mention not applicable, NA. Then in packer contact, like I said, you can add the same details what you wrote on top with a short address. Check the rest of the things. If you think you know anything, that you can add additionally, you can go to all attributes and you can check and add it. In all attributes, you'll find some extra features like generic keywords also. This will also increase the visibility of your listing. So you can definitely add some keywords which will bring your listing to be more visible to people. Okay, so we are adding certain words here. You can add as many as you want. It's not mandatory to add any commas or something, so it's left up to you how you want to add it. Okay, once this is done, you can either save the listing as draft at the bottom, or you can continue going to the next page. Okay, always check that all the red color spaces are filled. Okay, and the variations tab might take some time to load. This is an issue, it's an ongoing issue from a really long time. Okay, but you can just wait patiently. Once you click, you can just wait for a bit, it will come by itself. Okay, so the variations tab, just a tip with the variations tab, always make sure you are only filling the red color spaces and the images only, nothing else. Okay, so scroll down. Do you see these long boxes? You need to fill that. IN is Indian size. Okay, below that we have like alpha. Alpha is an option. Basically small, medium, large, XL, all of these are called alphas. Okay, then we select the shirt size value. In shirt size value, you can select your size as S. You can manually do that. Okay, then the last option you can select whether the product is regular or for plus size people. So regular I'm selecting and I'm clicking on add, and I'm going to repeat this process with as many sizes I have. So if I have medium size, I'll do IN, alpha, medium, regular, add. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So IN, then alpha, then I'm going to select the next size, which is medium. Then I'm going to select the regular option and I'm going to click on add. Okay, so what this does is it will create a table at the bottom. Okay, once these tables are created, you can start going and you can start filling it one by one. Okay, so all the red color spaces need to be filled. Like I said earlier, please do not do this if you're listing the first time. Don't make the variations page if you're doing it the first time, because the spaces, the external product ID and product ID will not be approved. So you will have to fill those spaces. So do not attempt to do the variations in the first listing. In your first listing, do a regular listing with no sizes. You can keep one small size or something and you can do an entire listing. After doing that first listing, you come back and you can add variations like this. Okay, so we are filling the red color spaces. In item condition, you can select new for all the options. I'm keeping my price as $3.99. You can keep whatever you want, and this can be changed later also. And then I'm writing the quantity for each line. Okay, so I'm adding certain number of shirts, how many I have for each sizes. And like I said, add the images in this. Always make sure that at least one image has been added. Currently I have only one, so I'm going to add that and make sure that is also in white background. Okay, so I'm adding all of the three. If you have more images, you can continue adding. You can add up to 8 to 9 images over here. So you can add that as well. But I'm adding only one for now. Okay. Then after adding these images, the variations page will be completed. You can scroll down to the bottom and save as draft. Otherwise, you can continue going to the next page. Okay. On the offer page, in the offer page, the first thing that we see is the SKU. Okay, SKU either you can write by yourself. I'm going to leave it just like that. Okay, because it is anything that is generated by Amazon is also unique. So I'm going to leave it just like that. Then I'm selecting the required option on the left side so that I see only the mandatory fields. I'm filling the MRP here, maximum retail price. I'm writing $7.99. Then I'm selecting the fulfillment channel on top, the top box, because I want easy ship as a delivery, in which Amazon only will deliver my product. I only have to pack it and keep it ready. Then I'm going to fill the items height, weight and all of that. And also the package height and width. Okay, currently I'm going to leave it as it is because, I have not measured it yet. So I'm just going to write whatever I know. Okay, but you people please check the weight and then add it. Okay, weight, height, all of that. Okay, then on the next page, safety and compliance, I'm going to add the country and I'm going to add the item weight. After that, I'm going to wait until the submit button loads. Once the submit button loads and there is no red color space, that means you're good to submit your listing. There are no errors. Okay, now we can click on submit. If there is any red color space in this area, that means you have to fix it. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to submit. Now since it's blue, I'm going to click on submit and I'm going to wait a while. Okay, once the page refreshes by itself, that means the listing has been successfully saved. You can close this box in the middle, we don't need it, or you can write your feedback here of how you felt the page was slow or anything like that, right? You can mention any kind of feedback, they will work on it. Okay, so now we can just submit and we can wait. Now the page, like always, it will take some time to load, but it will definitely get saved if your internet connection is proper and the server is working well. Okay. Now we wait. Once it refreshes, it will go to a page called manage your inventory. So that is the page where the product will start listing in some time. Okay. So we will give it some time. Let it be. Okay. There is nothing more you have to do right now. We can just wait for a bit. Once that is done, if you are a new seller, you can go in the next 3 to 4 3 to 4 hours or something. You can come back to the Amazon listing and check. It will be already listed in the inventory page. Here I'm showing you catalog option, add products and all that. You can just go through the website also like this one by one. And if you feel the need to connect with any kind of support, that is also available. There are videos also on this page, so many things are there. You can check it out whenever you're free. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and I hope you like the video. Please drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you think this was helpful, because I will be dropping more videos how to list certain kind of products. You can also comment what products you want me to list next on my page, so that you all can learn with it. And if you want me to do it in Hindi also, you can let me know. I'll be dropping a video in Hindi as well, if that's a request. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.